I didn't necessarily come into this workshop with a ton of hope for the future. I had looked at all the marriage helper tools and YouTube videos and read all the articles and had a good sense of what, like a good general sense of what I needed to do. But coming to the workshop was a whole other experience, especially virtually. I didn't realize that I would have the opportunity to be so vulnerable, to be so open, to learn from other couples, to learn as much as I did from all the facilitators. And I've learned a lot about myself through this process and how we got to where we got. And I have complete hope for a path forward no matter what happens. And I feel like I've got way better tools to forge a path forward full of joy and hope, and knowing that I've got the next right step. So thank you, Marriage Helper. Thank you guys for being really great and caring.